Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today you will know how to install the Java and some basic tutorial for Java for absolute beginner. So let us start from scratch. So Java is a most popular programming language used for a quite 2 to 3 decades, and still it is powerful. It is used in many finance applications and modern architecture. So let us install first Java. Okay, so in order to install Java, you need to have two things. One is a Java runtime environment, and that is called Java JDK, and second is your Java IDE. Popular IDEs are IntelliJ and Eclipse. So I will go with the Eclipse because it's my preferred choice. So let us first Java download Java JDK. Java JDK. Alright, so first we'll install this Java JDK. Let us go back to the first link, and in the first link you will be shown here the various options. Here I will choose for Windows 64. Okay, so I will choose my operating system Windows, and I will choose the compress archive x64. So this is a Java one Java version is 20. You will also need the basic Java JDK, that is 1.8. So let me check it out. Okay, so it is being downloaded. Great. So now next thing is Eclipse IDE. So you will search Eclipse download. So you will be redirected to the first option. Okay, in this first option you will download from here Eclipse IDE 2023.9. Maybe after some time it will show some different thing, but ensure to download the latest one. Okay, once you download here, once you click on this download button, it will start downloading. Now I have already downloaded, so I will directly install it for you. And in order to do that, I need to go to the download section, and in this download section this Eclipse IDE is already there. Okay, so since it is there, you need to double click to install it, and once it is its window will pop up. You need to select for Java installation, Java developer. It will take some time to get it installed. Meanwhile, what we can do, we can just check the downloaded zip file, that is Java 20 JDK, and unzip it. So you need to do a right click on this JDK 20 Windows x64 bin and unzip it. So you will get this unzip file. Okay, so do the extract and save it. So I have already done this extract. This is Windows JDK. This is JDK. Great. So now what I will do, I will copy this folder. I'll copy this folder and I will paste in C drive. Programming file, C drive. I will create a folder called Java, and here I will paste it. JDK. Now I have also installed Java 1.8. This is a critical thing, so you will need two Java version. One is Java JDK 1.8 and JDK 20. 1.8 is the standard de facto. So now what we will do, we'll install Java JDK 1.8. Okay, so install Java in Windows. So let us go to the download section. Java archive. Go to Java SE 8, Java 8, and here choose your Windows operating system. My system is Windows, so I will go to the Windows 64. So this is a critical thing. You need to download this Java 8 as well. So I will click on Java 8, say yes, download. That's all. So you will get notification for login. So once you log in it, you will get your downloader section. I have already created my account. You can create your account over here, and once you successfully create your account, then you will see the download section here. It is downloading. You can see I have already downloaded JDK 8U202. So I will go to the download section. Let me see my download section. Yeah, so this is my download section. I have already downloaded this JDK, and next thing, you need to install it in your system. So in order to install in your system, what you need to do, just click install and hit next. So first and foremost thing, you need to install this Java SE runtime environment. Okay, once you click on yes, then it will show you the next installation process. You just need to do next. That's all. So let us wait for it to pop up. Since I have already installed the Java, so I'm just putting it to show you how the display window looks like. It will take some time. Yeah, so let's wait for some time. Yeah, it is processing, so let us wait for some time. Great. So it will open up like that. I have already installed Java SE development kit, so it is asking me to redevelop. I will say yes, and it will start installing on the system. So it is just checking my system. Let us wait for a while. Yeah, so this is your Windows, this is your Java development installation guide. So you just need to hit next and say okay. That's all. So your Java will be installed. Once you install this Java, you need to set your Java environment in your environment variable. Okay, so how you can do it, I will show you. You need to search environment variable, ENVIROV, environment variable. So once you install, once you search on environment variable, you will see the system properties windows. Go to environment and go to your first user variable and create a new variable. And once you hit on create new variable, you will see Java home, and you need to write here Java home. Once you write Java home, you need to give the variable value. Variable value in the sense it will show you where you have installed your Java. So I will go to my C drive, Java installation folder. Where is my Java? And here JRE 1.8 and bin. So I will copy this path. JRE 1.8 JDK is there. So I download in and install. So it will take some time to get it installed. So let us see the first windows it pop-ups. Great. So I will hit the next option. So this will I will close this window and I will go to C drive. In C drive I will go to program file, Java, and here you can see Java JDK 1.8. Okay, so you will go to the bin folder and copy this bin folder. Now you will set the environment variable. So in order to do that, you need to search the environment variable in your system, envi environment. So here you can see edit the environment variable. Click on this window and you will see the environment option. Go to the environment and here in user variable you need to click on new, and once you click on new, write down the Java home, and you need to copy the folder path of JDK 1.8. So how we will get it? You need to go to C drive, Java, programming file, Java, and this folder. Okay, I will copy this folder path and go to the Java variable values. Click OK. Done. Now you need to go to the path. Alright, in the path you need to click here the new. Once you click new, you need to copy this bin location. Okay, go to copy this path and click here bin location. So you have successfully saved your new variable path. See, I have copied it here. Okay, and hit OK, OK, OK. Done. So you have successfully set up your Java in your system. Now I will press Windows R, then CMD, then I will type Java. So I will test what is the version of Java. So in order to do that, I will type Java dash version. So here you can see my Java version is 1.8. Okay, so you have successfully installed Java in your system. Now JRE installation guide. So once you install Eclipse, you will be redirected into great. So here you will see the different options are pop up. So I will click Eclipse IDE for Java. Click on these things and here you just hit install button. So once you hit install button, everything will be installed and you will get the install shortcut of Eclipse in your computer desktop. Alright, I have already installed it, so I will not install it again. Now next thing is you need to import, you need to open up this Eclipse IDE. So this is opening Windows, and I will not go to any of this tool. What I will do, I will click on File, New, and Java Project. You can also directly click from Package Explorer, Java Project. You need to create Java project. So now I will create Java project. Great. So I got this new pop-up Windows. So I will give my project name, my first Java program. Here default JRE is 17. I will configure my JRE. I will choose a default as a JDK 1.8 and apply and close. And here in Java SE, I will select Java 1.8. Great. So I will hit next and finished. So in the left hand side pane and Package Explorer pane, you can see source folder has been created. Great. So I will click on the SRC source folder, new and class. So I will create a new class. I will give the name as a main and select public static void main and hit next. So we'll write a first Java project, and before that we will set some windows. So I will go to Windows Preference and go to the Appearance. In Appearance, go to first General Appearance. Here I will change the theme from light to dark, and color I'll choose as it is. Then I'll apply it. So my screen would be dark. Then write your first program in Java. So you will type sys out sysout, then control space. So you will see the first option, system.out.println. You will click, and here in double quotation mark, hello Java. Okay, and always remember your line should end with this semicolon, and this is my main method, and from this curly bracket to end bracket, everything is called a class called main. Now I will return hello Java and I will execute it. In this run java.main button, I will click on run, always okay, and great. Here you can see in the bottom side you have received the input called hello Java. So this is your first program. Thank you very much for watching this video.